Morning, guys. We're at Cars and Coffee. I did a little cruise with Jake Schneider right here. I don't know why he parked next to me though. We have this crazy 400 horsepower S2K, my S2K, track S2K, and this yellow S2K. We got a couple more coming, but we're gonna be doing a cruise.
Doesn't look fast.
This is the fastest track S2K in the US. It's pretty nutty. Then we got this one. I don't know what's really done to this though, but it's sweet.
No one taking videos.
Okay, guys, we're back. Hey, I can record for now. We got this R34.
I want to clip for my car.
This guy lives next to me.
I'm gonna need some like heavy people to sit down and make my fitment better.
Okay, sure. Come on. We got a GT3 RS right here. We got a Lotus. This thing cannot be that fast to have that thick of tires. This Viper.
They're great to look.
I have a Viper too. It looks the same way.
Yeah, I used to have one.
The Seaboys, Lambo. Whew. Got 4 more S2Ks right here. S2K owners are punching the air right now and kicking rocks. Look at this. 4 S2Ks parked up.
They some water.
We got Ryan right here. Ryan,
Yep.
the photographer.
Yep.
Hit him up. Hit him up.
Hit me up.
We got a C6. We got a Ferrari, a Lambo, another Lambo. Pretty sick. This is Landon right here. This is Landon. He's got one of those, the uglier Bugattis right here. But at the
Really junky ones, it's kind of riced out.
it's pretty riced out. It's one of the clapped out Bugattis with the ugly ones, but
Yeah.
it's all right, I guess. We have this. I don't know what it is. I think it's
a
crazy.
Beamer.
Holy. Another Ferrari right here.
Yeah.
Grilled cheese right there. Yeah. A couple more for you guys and we're out. Got Ryan right here. Cameraman. Oh yeah. 2 S14s, SE editions right here. Beautiful. They have potential though.
They do.
Damn.
They just need some more love.
What happened here? Beautiful. Right-hand drive.
I think that's a Supra.
A BMW right here. An M3. Evo, big turbo Evo. More Evos. Despicable Me right here. Holy. Supra right here. Big turbo. Pretty nutty. Fast and Furious. Victor's gooning right now.
Victor's lost in the sauce.
We're at this section right now. Mark and
This is the loser section.
Mark and I are mic'd up right now. But Victor is parked up under the shade like this because he's one shady ass MFer.
Look at that. I got a leaf on my dash.
Dang, natural.
I know, right? It's natty.
Like that natural fitment.
You're not getting that gun.
Oh. Oh yeah, this spot is sick though. This is about it. We got a bunch of clips. I always got hit right here. Yeah, we're about to head out. We might do another cruise later, but I'm waiting for the clips to get sent in and I'll put them in. But beautiful S2Ks.